If you have been involved in a car accident, it could be worth your while getting a repair estimate or two. Getting an estimate is the first step to getting your car on the road again. However, it's often hard to know where you should start. The good news is we can help you understand what you need to do if the insurance company is taking its time estimating the damage, and we can also help you to protect yourself should the estimate be a low one. 1. Get a good estimate. One of the first things you should do when you've been involved in a car accident is to get an estimate for the repairs to your car. You should only ever get an estimate from a place where you would be willing to get the repairs done. You will also need to ensure the repair shop is thorough in its assessment and it's qualified too. You also need to make sure that the quote they give you will sufficiently repair your car to a very high standard. If you choose to opt for the lowest or easiest estimate, you may find that the quoted amount will not result in your car being completely repaired. 2. Be aware of the insurance company taking their time. If the insurance company does not get around to inspecting your car within 1 or 2 weeks of the accident, you may be wondering what's happening. If you have already given the insurance company at least 2 independent estimates, there really is no reason for them to delay getting your car repaired. If you can afford to pay for the repairs yourself, then you may want to think about using this as an option. This is because you can have your vehicle repaired before demanding that you are reimbursed. If you opt for the highest estimate, then the insurance company may only reimburse you for the lowest estimate. You should also be aware that getting your car repaired before you agree on an estimate will not make the insurance company settle very quickly. This is because once you have your car back, the insurance company does not need to pay for you to use a rental car. 3. Keep an eye out for low estimates. If an insurance adjuster who is working for the other driver's insurance company informs you that your car can be repaired for a lot less than you estimated, you should be cautious. This is because some insurance companies have deals with repair shops that do less than perfect work in exchange for more referrals. This, however, does not mean that the work carried out on your vehicle will be up to scratch. This is why you should seek to get your own estimates from an independent repair shop. If you find that 2 to 3 estimates are higher than the one given by your insurance company, then their estimate is likely to be poor. You should note that repairs to your vehicle should only be carried out by a repair shop that you choose. This is irrespective of how much compensation you receive. If the insurance company does not want to cooperate with you, you may want to hire a personal injury lawyer who has experience with car accident claims. Please read our article "What to Do If You Have a Dispute Over Vehicle Repairs" for more information.